So you've got yourself the GoPro Hero 13 Black and you're wanting to format the memory card, wiping out all your footage and resetting the memory card so that it runs properly with your GoPro. Let's go ahead and show you how. Now the first thing I want to mention, if we have a look at our footage here, if we swipe up from the bottom and look at our footage, all of our photos and videos will be deleted when we format the memory card. So do make sure that those are all backed up before you do this. Let's go ahead and format that. So from our main screen here, the way to do this, we're going to swipe down from the top. You'll see your quick settings. And now we want to swipe from right to left like that. And you'll see preferences here. Go ahead and tap on preferences. And under preferences, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see reset here at the very bottom. Go ahead and tap on that. And the first option here is format SD card. You can go ahead and tap on that. And it says format SD card, delete all files and reformat your SD card. So again, you will lose all of your videos and photos when you do this. So again, make sure they're backed up. If you're good to do that, you can go ahead and hit format. And it's going to start formatting that memory card. And depending on how much footage you have on there, it could take a little bit longer. For me, it's pretty quick. And we've got that complete. So if we go back out to our main menu here, you can swipe up, you can see there's no media in there and our memory card has been formatted. And it's really that simple to format our memory card here on our GoPro Hero 13 Black.